Welcome, here I've got Gigaset GX290 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to some more advanced camera settings, and let's focus on this button from the left with the picture size. When we tap on this, we can manage the ratio connected with the quality of this camera, and we can pick 4:3 ratio connected with 13 megapixels, which is now. The 4:3 ratio is also available with 8 megapixels here, so let's tap on this. By tapping on this again, we get access also to 16:9 ratio connected with 9 or 2 megapixels, so let me pick 9. As you can see, the background has changed to a little bit longer one, so this is how it works. And when I tap on this, we get access to the lower quality with 2 megapixels. Of course, I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is 4:3 with 13 megapixels now. And that's all. This is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.